Between 2010 and 2011, chip pans were the cause of 2,800 accidental dwelling fires. These fires resulted in 1,300 injuries and 9 deaths. For your safety, do not try to replicate this video. This demonstration was carried out in a controlled environment by skilled professionals. A pan filled with oil that is left unattended whilst heating can get so hot that the oil inside will catch fire. If water is used to try to extinguish the fire, an explosion of steam, fire and hot oil will occur. This is known as a boil over. Water is denser than oil, so when the water is added, it will sink to the bottom of the pan. The temperature in the pan is so hot that when the water is poured in, it instantly turns into steam. As the water turns into steam, it increases in volume by 1,600 times. As the steam evaporates from the pan, a fireball is forced out, taking the burning oil with it. In this video, a small cup of water is used on the fire. That instantly explodes into a fireball 1,600 times the volume of the cup. In an enclosed environment, the fireball is spread to the ceiling, then dropped to the floor as it increases in size, whilst covering anything in its way with burning oil. Never leave a pan of oil unattended when it is heating. Instead of a traditional pan of oil, Hampshire Fire and Rescue Service recommends that thermostatically controlled deep fat fryers are used. Our advice for dealing with a chip pan fire is: try to turn the power off to the chip pan, but only if it is safe to do so. Leave the room, closing the door behind you. Leave the building, call 999 and remain outside the building and wait for the fire service to arrive. Never move the pan, even if the fire is put out. Wait for the fire service to arrive. They are trained and equipped to deal with hot fat and oil fires. There is a very real chance that if disturbed, the pan will reignite. Never use water to try to extinguish the fire. This will cause a fireball. Never use wet tea towels, pan lids, or chopping boards to try to contain the fire to the pan. Remember, get out, stay out, call the fire service out.